skin tone. They want to pass your skin tone to their kids, listening people. You are waiting for fruitful results, or maybe call them. You just met somewhere. They knew it, you are the one, but they really don't want to deal with you like that. You're confident in your emotions and feelings. You keep them on their toes. Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading, weekly love reading, Saturday special. Keep in mind that these readings are channel. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take island from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get started. What are the Sagittarians person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? What are the Sagittarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Sagittarius? And we are having here Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Star. What are the Sagittarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Sagittarians feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Seven of Pentacles, Six of Swords, the Emperor, Eight of Wands. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? King of Cups, Nine of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the Six of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. Aries with this Emperor. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands. Aquarius with the Star. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords, Six of Swords. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this King of Cups. This is about traditions, family, religion. It's about the all about family and roots. Maybe this person want to share their family, their traditions and roots with you. They want to share their legacy with you. They are just, when they think about you, they think like that you are beneficial for their family. You are really beneficial for them, for their family. It's not about romantic thing and love and passion. You are just beneficial for them in every way. Even your DNA is beneficial for them. Even your, skin tone. They want to pass your skin tone to their kids. Like that kind of like even you are that much beneficial for them. And with this Six of Pentacles proves that with this Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, when someone about feel Ten of Pentacles towards you, Sagittarius, it means this person really want to pass on your good qualities to their generations. And with the Six of Pentacles, it enhance the chances like this person find you really beneficial, and you are always supportive towards them. You always support them. They use your resources, your money, but it's everything that belongs to you always benefit them, and they taking benefits from you. But about that, thinking too much, stuck on a certain point, listening people, even they are answering, questioning themselves, what will that person will say, and then answer that this person will say that thing. So that's how they are stuck in their own mind and overthinking. But this person is hoping, wishing. In a lot of cases, like it's not that negative. If they are just finding you, you are amazing person, you are a human being, amazing human being, you are a beneficial. It's really generosity, it's your generosity, it's your you uh, you are giving benefits to this person directly, indirectly, in every lucky, you are lucky for them. And this person is overthinking, and this person is just wishing for you. So yes, if they are looking forward to take benefits from all of you, like they are wishing for that, there is a distance between both of you. But this person is people pleasing a bit, in this person afraid of people, what will people say, and they are stuck, it's just in their head, nothing is happening around, and you are beneficial for them, and you invest your 100% in this relationship, Sagittarius, with the Seven of Pentacles. You are waiting for fruitful results. When will you get what you want, what you deserve, what you know, really want? And with this Emperor card, you are a practical person. You are well organized, well composed, responsible, practical person. You achieve a lot of things in your life, and it's your achievements, everything is belongs to your own achievements, to you. You are sitting on a stone throne. Not that easy for you. You get that, status after very putting a lot of efforts. You put a lot of efforts. It makes sense. You get that, status. You get that with after putting a lot of investment, a lot of yourself putting your efforts in this. That's how. And now you are waiting for a fruitful result, and your fruitful result, the way you are now, you become you become like an emperor. But from this person you want this fruitful results from this person as well. You give love. Love is precious thing. You are putting negativity behind and moving on in your life. And there is a fast communication between both of you. Possibilities, maybe you send them some kind of text message, email, or maybe call them, or suddenly just met somewhere, or it's just maybe in your head or in this person's head, and they want you to connect to them. They want you to call them, text them. You can feel that these are the possibilities. You can feel that this person want you to talk to them with compassion, with passion, and you are putting negativity behind and moving forward in your life. This person knew it. They knew it. You are the one who is this, who is holding their cup of love and not giving your cup of love to this person right now. You are not loving this person right now, but love is there, but it's just frozen for now. You are responsible in your feelings, your emotions. You are totally calm down and relax in your feelings and in emotions with this King of Cups. And this person really don't want to hurt again. They are already hurt in their past. They know how to deal such kind of situations, but they really don't want to deal with you like that. They really don't want to repeat any kind of harsh, painful history with you. They really don't want to get hurt from you. They are protecting their heart. They are thinking about when their heart break and when they have to fight, when they are warrior, when they are being warrior. They want to be relaxed with you, but they really don't want to, repeat that harsh history with you. Let's see what else we have for you. What's the outcome of this situation? What's else we have for Sagittarius? What's the outcome? And we are having here Nine of Cups, the Empress, Four of Wands. With this Nine of Cups, this person is getting a feel from you, like you are totally satisfied in your feelings and in your emotions. And yes, you are totally settled down and relaxed and calm in your feelings and your emotions. Now you know how to control your feelings and emotions. You are confident in your emotions and feelings. And this person is just want you to do something for them, like they want more from you. Already taking much, but want more from you, hoping for you, wishing for you. Overthinking, yeah, there is overthinking in this person, but they want you to do some extra more thing for them. Inside the back mind, in their subconscious mind, somewhere they want you to do something for them, the more do something for them. And they also get that you are emotionally satisfied. And you are an empress here, kind, loving, positive, radiant, radiant, producing beautiful, calm, relaxed energy around you, and making your environment beautiful. Four of Wands is about when is there is an event in your family and you are celebrating with your friends and family, and this person feels towards you. You are like a home. With you, they feel like home. Let's see what else we have for you. For more information, what else we have for you, and we are having here Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and again Four of Wands. Amazing. These cards are about in upcoming future when you are thinking about something, the possibilities, the future, the little visions. When what should you do? When you're planning, when you are thinking, what will I can do about this matter? These cards about that. A Page of Pentacles. This person is interested in you. They not do you keep them, on their toes. They're really super interested in you. Idea in your head, something is began inside you. You are just like something is just finished, and with a new spark, something is began in your head. Celebration again, there is a celebration. This person will feel like home with you, and there is a celebration there, event, party in upcoming days. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What do your angel want to add in this reading? I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. I really want that. This for you. Amazing message from your angel. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Believe in destiny, pray, seek for forgiveness, say thanks. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person find you, you are really beneficial, and they're wishing for you, hoping for you, and they are super interested in you. It's a little bit stuck in their own mind, people pleasing in this person. You are like ruling your own empire, and you are waiting. You are already invested your 100% in this connection. Now you're waiting for fruitful result, putting negative behind and moving on in your life. And there is a celebration in upcoming days for you. These are few summaries of your reading, Sagittarius. Hope this helpful for you. God bless you. Bye.